What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove the iCloud activation lock on your iOS device. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Click on the link in the description to get to this Apple support page on your PC or mobile device. Here, scroll down until you locate the Start a Support Request section. There, tap on the Start an Activation Lock Support Request under it. Now, if you only forgot the password but still have access to your Apple ID email, then the process to remove your iCloud activation lock is pretty simple. Just click on Reset your password at I forgot. Proceed to enter your Apple ID and follow through the steps to reset your password. If you don't have access to your Apple ID email either, there's no need to worry. Scroll down and under Need Additional Support, tap Get Started. Now, there are a couple of things you need to know first. You must be the owner of the device, and you'll be required to provide proof of ownership by submitting either your device's product serial number, IMEI, or MEID. You can find this number on the back of your Apple box in which you got your iPhone originally. Also, while removing the iCloud activation lock this way, you will lose access to all of your device's data. In addition, you must also ensure that your iPhone was neither owned nor managed by a business or any other institution. If so, you're required to contact them first. Lastly, your iPhone must not be in lost mode. With that said, scroll further down to check the terms of Apple's privacy policy and click on Continue. Enter the email address you have access to and provide the serial number of your iOS device to start with the iCloud activation lock process. Follow through the steps to remove your iCloud activation lock on your device. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.